Sas, Assalamu alaikum. How are you doing today? I can see you cheerful and delighted. Any good news?
Yes, I'm delighted because of the month of Ramadan. Don't you know that Ramadan is coming in a few days, during which I always enjoy various types of foods with my family. Bibi, I'm happy for the coming of Ramadan because I eat a lot and my father buys different types of foodstuffs during this period. Ha 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 ha.
I see. Come on, Sas. Do you know anything about Ramadan apart from eating and drinking?
Oh, Bibi, that is all what I know about Ramadan.
Okay, no problem. Sas, come with me. Let me enlighten you a little bit about Ramadan. Firstly, you should know Ramadan is the name of the 9th month of Islamic calendar. During this month, Muslims observe fasting as it is made obligatory upon them by Allah, their Creator. Furthermore, fasting in this month is one of the 5 pillars of Islam, which means that none of the Muslims is a complete Muslim without fulfilling the rite of this month. Secondly, during this month, Allah revealed the Holy Quran to Prophet Muhammad, the last apostle of Allah, peace be upon him. Thus, you should know that the revelation of the Quran passed through 3 stages. First stage, revelation of the Quran from Allah to Allahu al-Mahfuz, the preserved board, where every occurrence of the earth and the heaven is written and kept by Allah. Second stage, revelation of the whole Quran to Al-Bayt al-Ma'mur, in the next heaven, to the earth, during the month of Ramadan. The third and the last stage, revelation of the Quran, part after the other, to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, to Angel Jibril, considering the circumstances and necessity. The last stage of the revelation happened for the period of 23 years, which was the duration of the prophethood of Prophet Muhammad. May the peace and blessing of Allah be upon him. It is said that the first revelation came to the Prophet during the month of Ramadan. Stars, now I hope you have learned more about the importance of Ramadan other than eating and drinking. Inshallah, in the nearest future, I will teach you more about the verdicts of Ramadan.
MashaAllah, I'm very happy for this wonderful and amazing information about Ramadan. May Allah reward you.
Happy Ramadan! Kindly subscribe to our channel ObaKids TV, Facebook and YouTube.